Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're just seeing me for the first time, hi, I'm Kosi or Lovett, whichever one you choose to call me. I know I've not been posting for a while now, but yeah, we have been onto something, and today we are going to do an unboxing. It is going to be an unboxing video, so let's get right into this video because I don't want to talk too much. But while I'm unboxing, I might just be telling you what is going on. The first thing I have here is my tripod. Yes, I already used that. This is the first item we have here, and if you guessed, yes, you guessed it right, I started learning how to install hair and hair wigging and all that. So yeah, I got my tripod. Comes in this cute bag, which is very convenient. Yeah, now we are going to go into the appliances because I have another bag. We have like three bags to unbox, so we need to be fast. Now we have this particular one, which is a hair steamer. Hair steamer. Should I open it for you guys? Use this for hair treatments and all of that. So it came like this. A stretcher, and you all know stretcher. Then we have a blow dryer. Comes with all the nozzles. Let me show you guys. Comes with all of these, and there are free gifts. Brush. There's a tail comb, a dryer, the tail comb, the nozzles, all this. And this is the last item on this. This is a hot comb. This is a hot comb. I'm not seeing my coiler. Next thing is this. I already removed the package, so this is what it looks like. This is really nice, and yeah, we have a bunch of items in here. We put everything on the floor, but yeah, this is some treatments, a hair setting mousse. I have my got to be grip spray. I have mayonnaise for hair treatment. I have Adore hair treatment also. I have my shine and jam gel. I have this for hair treatment, the keratin hair treatment also. I have a tail comb. I think I have two of these or three of them. I have two of, okay, this is an old one. I have two of these cotton wool. I have this another keratin hair care balance hair mask. This is what it looks like. I have my Tresemme shampoo and conditioning set for the hair. I have hair mousse here. I have hair conditioner. This is a leave-in conditioner for the hair. I have heat protectants and hair tints. I have this leave-in treatment. This is like a water one, a spray one. I have silicone mix and all that. What's the next thing I have in here? I have this wig dissolver and a scissors. Now to this bag, we have a serum. This is a hair serum. This is what it looks like. We have a bunch of hair nets. I'm going to start using this particular one today. We have hair nets. I don't know what's going on with my phone, but it keeps getting hot, so we are just going to round up this. I have some hair clips which I was about to show you before it went off. I have a hairband. I have this hairband for myself. This is for me to use. I have hair spliss. I have this, and my sister also got me another one. I have this particular hair wax stick. I have the melt down spray. I have some pins. I have some pins, and I have a bunch of other stuff. This is the hair lace glue. I have another hairband. This is a very fancy one. Yeah, this is a fancy hairband. I have some T-pins. I have some needles for this, and then I have my marker for checking where to mark my hair and all that. So I'm about to start wigging today because I have a bunch of wigs that I want to practice with. I've been learning this for a month now, so it's time to put my test to practice. But yeah, this is all I got. And if you want to see a video of me doing the practice, please comment below because I cannot do this video in this particular one. But if you want to see it, comment down below. I will have something cooked up. But anyways, this is all I got. I still have to get a hair coiler. I don't know if I thought I saw one yesterday, but I can't find it anywhere here. But anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, I hope this journey is going to continue because I wish to emphasize more on what I'm doing with you guys. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe because on this channel I do hair, skincare, everything vlog. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any videos I post in the future, and also support my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.